This is the CHEPARK bike clamp, the 80-pound capacity, so that's a large bike for sure. It's heavy duty. The thing is serious. Get an idea of the scale here. It's a good size. Heavy duty components. Look at the jaw here. It's like something out of a movie. The guy's missing an arm, but he has a robotic clamp. So, yeah, these are great for working on bikes to keep it up off the ground so you don't have to bend over while you're working on it. It's got 360-degree rotation, has a quick release, and the metal tube, especially that one, I mean, they're all heavy duty. Those aren't going anywhere. It says 1 1/75-inch tube capacity rubber protectors. I don't know exactly what they mean by that. Adjustable height from 41 inches up to 66.9 inches. So if 72 inches is 6 feet, that thing can go really high and then come down to a comfortable lower height where you could also, say, sit in a chair and work on your bike. I like that. It's portable. You can collapse it for easy storage. Also, it has a magnetic tool tray. Really a nice touch here. So put your tools in here, your small tool, mostly, well, I guess you can hang some hex head wrenches in there. And you got little, this is mostly going to be for screws, it seems like to me, fasteners, so you don't lose them, which might seem like a small detail. But anybody who's worked on things knows those things are worth their weight in gold. Yeah, it's a quality item. I'm going to put it together here. So there's two bolts that fasten into the vertical pole. One you just snap in, it has a ring on it. I forget what you call those. And the other one uses a hex head. So you'll be able to see the two fasteners right there. You simply set this on the top. Used a hex head wrench for the lower bolt, and the other one just snaps through. I forget what you call that. And then here, if you want to turn it to hold it a different orientation, horizontal, vertical.